Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the iQOO 13 after using it for 8 months straight in 2025. How's the performance holding up? Is the Snapdragon 8 Elite still a beast? And most importantly, should you still buy this phone right now? Let's find out. The iQOO 13 still looks sleek and premium, even after 8 months. The matte finish on the back resists fingerprints, and the aluminum frame is still sturdy, no scratches or dents despite daily use. The in-hand feel? Still solid. The 6.82-inch AMOLED LTPO 4.0 display is still buttery smooth with its 144Hz refresh rate. Colors pop, brightness is great outdoors, and the adaptive refresh rate helps battery life. No burn-in issues so far. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, run FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15 got cleaner and faster. This phone is still a monster for gaming. Even after 8 months, heavy titles run at max settings without throttling, thanks to the vapor chamber cooling. Multitasking? No slowdowns. If you're a gamer, this won't disappoint. Now let's talk about the cameras. The 50MP main sensor still clicks sharp and vibrant shots. Low light performance has improved with software updates, and the video quality is rock solid with proper stabilization. Front camera? Decent, but not flagship level. The 6000 mAh battery still gets me 6 to 7 hours of screen time, even with heavy use. And 120W fast charging? 0 to 100% in 30 minutes, still insane. After 8 months, the iQOO 13 still delivers flagship level performance, blazing fast charging, and a great display, all at a competitive price. If you're looking for a performance beast in 2025 and can find it at a good discount, the iQOO 13 is still a solid pick. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.